Welcome, today I am with HUAWEI Nova 8i and I will show you a couple camera tricks. So the first, I will show you the best features that we can find in the settings, and after that I will smoothly move to all modes, to the best features that we can find and use in the modes and the more modes. So let's open the settings, and as you can see at the first we can find the grid lines and the horizontal level. So when we enable these two features and then go back for our photo and video mode, we can find this help grid lines on the photos, on the screen. So they help us to take better composition of the photo. So basically if you want to put something in the middle, like this AirPod, we can make it definitely easier with these help lines on the screen. Then another option that we can use is the camera timer. So we can basically add the delay on our shutter to 5 or 10 seconds, and let's pick for example the 2 seconds, and after this time when you press on the shutter the photo will be taken. We can also add the camera watermark, so when you take the photo like this one for example, on the left bottom corner we will find mark of our device. So as you can see, it was taken with HUAWEI Nova 8i on the AI quad camera. Of course you can also turn it off, just go here and then use this switcher. Then another useful option that you can find here is the location tag. So it's just as default turned on, but you can also turn it off, so you have to be sure that location on your phone is enabled, like in my case. And when you take a look of the details of each photo that was taken with this option, we have step here, so we'll find the exact location where the photo was taken, but unfortunately not on this one. Okay, so maybe let's turn it off and turn it on back. Let's take a look if it works right now. Still it's not working. Let me just go here, turn it on, go back, close the camera. Location is enabled. We can also check for permission. Okay, so permission for the camera, it's allow, and location we can allow all the time. Okay, let's try to take photo right now. Okay, unfortunately still there is no information, so maybe it's some kind of debug, because normally when you just take a look, oh sorry guys, I just messed up. In this place we can find this location, it's right here. Sorry, that's my bad, because in the most smartphones you have to tap on the information icon here and you will find the location somewhere here, but in the HUAWEI it appears right now here. Okay, so that's honestly my bad, and as you can see it just appears on the photo. And yeah, that's another option. So we can also use the ultra snapshot to take a look. We can open camera or just take a snapshot when you double press volume down button when the screen is turned off. So take a look like that. Okay, that was the unlock with the face unlock. Let's try one more time because I cover the camera with my hand. So as you can see, when you're on the lock screen you can also take photo even the screen is turned off by pressing volume down button. And we can also use the floating shutter button, so when you enable this option you will find additional shutter right here. So when you tap on it, it will work the same like this one. So for example, if you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can just grab this one to the right edge and then you can take photos. Let's remove it because honestly I don't need it right now. And basically that's all from the settings. When you are in the photo mode, we can quickly increase or decrease brightness level by tapping on the screen and then make it manually. So we can go for -12 and +12. So if you want to adjust brightness level, you can make it manually or just tap on the screen to make it automatically by the smartphone. You can also click right here where you will find view filters that automatically change colors and temperature on the photos. It's also some kind of the sun effect at the left bottom corner, as you can see. So yeah, that's also interesting. We can also go for the video mode, where we can make the same with the brightness level. So we can adjust it like that. We can go for the more modes, where we can find, for example, the high resolution mode. And take a look. When you pick that mode and take the photo, I'm going to take photo of this box. It's right here. So let me just put it like that. Catch focus, tap on the shutter, and then I will take the same photo but with the photo mode. And let's take a look on the difference. So this one was taken without, probably. Yeah. So this photo was taken with the normal mode, and it looks like that. And with the high resolution mode, we can spot definitely more details. We can zoom in much closer, as you can see. So basically, if you want to get more details of the photo, just go for this high resolution mode. We can also find here the Pro mode, where we can adjust a lot of things manually, like ISO, the shutter speed, the focus, white balance. And basically, if you don't know how to use this mode and you don't know what is going on here, just tap on this information icon. And in this place, you will find description of every option that you can find here. And we can also find the stickers, but we have to turn this camera to the front. So take a look. Or no, we don't have to, honestly, it's right here. So when you click here, you can find the default stickers that you can quickly attach to your screen. Like, for example, we can add this location. We can also add the mood one, so we can go for keep calm and just smile. Yeah, we can leave it like that. Take photo, and as you can see, it will appear just like that. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.